morning, students. Let us start our next chapter, which name is complex number and quadratic equation, which is also based on a chapter of standard 10, which quadratic equation. As you all know that the polynomial having power 1 degree is 1, degree of polynomial is 1, and it is called linear equation. What is named that linear equation? If the polynomial having degree of polynomial which is equal to 2, so its name is quadratic equation, which we have been studied in standard 10. So in this quadratic equation, for finding out the roots, how many roots we get in the quadratic equation? 2. So there is 3 methods for finding out the roots of quadratic equation. And particular for finding out this quadratic equation roots, we use a various method, in which the last method is standard equation, by using a standard equation. For that, first of all, before starting this chapter, we are studying for something about standard 10 in quadratic equation. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a does not equals to 0 and a, b, c belongs to R. Over here a does not equals to 0. If a is equals to 0, then it becomes bx plus c. Over here the power of bx plus c degree is 1, so it becomes linear equation. But over here we have to study quadratic equation. So a does not equals to 0, b or c may be equal to 0, or a, b, c belongs to R. So standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. For particular finding out the roots, if we use the standard equation, at the time we use d. What is d? D means discriminant. D means discriminant. What is the formula for discriminant? Yes, that is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. For finding out the roots, we use alpha and beta, as we know that the minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. For that d, value of d may be greater than 0, is equals to 0, and less than 0. For particular d is greater than 0, we say that if d is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Ready? Roots are real and distinct. If d is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Over here, d less than 0. What about the less than 0? We said that no roots. No, there is no roots. But there is does not exist. See carefully. Particular d less than 0 at the time does not exist real roots. What? Real roots. Roots exist, but does not exist real roots. Ready? Up to this till now we have studied a number of various types of number we have studied, like n. What is n? N means natural number. N means natural number. It starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, which is a subset of W. What is W? W means whole number which is start from 0, 1, 2, 3. If we add natural number in 0, if we add 0 to the natural number, then it becomes whole number which is start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, which is subset of Z, which is minus infinite to plus infinite, perfect number, and Z is the subset of rational number. Rational number is denoted by Q. Rational number is denoted by is the form of P divided by Q. Q is belongs to N and P is belongs to Z. Then last is R. R means real number. Till now we are only dealing with the number which are insert in real numbers. We are dealing up to till now we dealing only with real numbers. But in case of this, if we want to find out in case of t less than 0, then we have to define some numbers which is called C. C means our complex number. C means our complex number. C is carrying all this number. C is the subset of all. See, all the numbers are belongs to complex number. Complex number carrying all type of number of N, W, Z, Q, R, and C. Till now we are dealing only with real numbers. But for finding out in case of t less than 0 roots, if we want to find out roots in case of t less than 0, at that time we have defined this mathematician defined complex number. For that we can also find out the roots for t less than 0. Some basic equation like x square minus 1 is equals to 0. At that time we can easily find out the roots of x square minus 1, like x square is equals to 1. So x is equals to under root 1, which gives x plus or minus 1. These are the simple quadratic equation we can easily find out the roots. But in case of x square plus 1 is equals to 0, so at that time see x square is equals to minus 1. So we till now we say that there is no real roots over here. But if we define x square is equals to minus 1, x square is equals to minus 1, if we see x is equals to under root minus 1, if we define the value of root minus 1, then we can easily find out in case of d less than 0, we can easily find out the roots in case of d less than 0. So mathematician defined the minus 1, it's called I. What is I? I means not alphabet, but it is from alphabet from Greek words. Greek words it's called iota. It's called iota. Full form of I is iota, like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, like that. I means iota. So over here we have to define the I is equals to under root minus 1. This is defined by mathematician. It's called I is equals to under root minus 1. If we define this minus 1 roots of minus 1, then we can easily find out the roots in case of t less than 0. So from over here, if we squaring both the sides, so it gives I square is equals to minus 1. That we have to remember what is the value of I square. That is equal to minus 1. So value of x is equals to under root minus 1, which gives x is equals to I. That we have to remember I square is equals to minus 1. And then C means our complex number. Complex number. Form of complex number. In general mathematics, in general complex number, we denoted complex number by Z. Number is defined, complex number is denoted as Z, and the form of complex number which is A plus IB, that you have to remember. Z is equals to A plus IB. Z is equals to A plus IB. I means iota. Over here, A means real of Z. A means real of Z. See over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are the numbers which are dealing with real number. So Z is the complex number having real part as well as imaginary. Imaginary means complex part. Over here the A is real of Z and B is imaginary of Z. B means imaginary imaginary of z. Imaginary means nothing but our complex number. Complex number is also called imaginary number, and real number is called a. The form of complex number which is equal to z is equals to a plus ib. Likewise, in denominator there is no minus term, root terms. Likewise, for complex number there is no terms having I in denominator. Suppose there is 2 upon I, so we cannot write as a 2 upon I. So we have to rationalize even numerator as well as denominator. So it becomes 2I upon I square. What is the value of I square over here? It is minus 1. So it becomes 2I upon minus 1. So it equals to minus 2I. Minus 2I. Like there is no term having I in denominator, so we have to rationalize and convert them into like this.